Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit photos in Gallery on iPad 9th Gen. To do it, go to Gallery app, then choose a photo you want to edit. And now to edit it, click on this edit button here. And you can go to live if it's a live photo, and for example change the keyframe or adjust the length of the live photo. You can go to adjust and adjust it automatically by clicking on auto, or go to exposure and adjust it. Then brilliance, you can adjust it as well if you want, highlights, shadows and more, and so on, and it will enhance your photo. Then you can go to crop, and in crop you can either crop the picture, rotate it by a few degrees, or click here to rotate it by 90 degrees, or change the perspective of the photo, like that. And that's all. You can also flip the photo, and when you're done with all your editing, you can click on done. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.